Welcome to J&J's test video of S3LE286, a 2003 LX470. This is a trade-in vehicle. Has a few little issues here and there, but it's actually pretty nice. Tail panel was broken. It does have the third seat. It doesn't have any rust. So it's pretty nice. There's the broken tail panel. We'll pull the lights out of it. Third row seats are nice. Not a bad truck. Power quarter windows work. I'll show you all the testing. I'll show you the motor. No rust, running boards, all that. Nice and quiet. Barely any blow by. This is an early motor without the VVT. 262, 111. She moves. No problem there. I'll check the transfer case, but first we'll test the mirrors. They both fold in. The right one works going out and back, but I can't get it to go up and down, and I don't know if it's a switch or not, because on the left side the up and downs works, but it's kind of a little erratic, but it does work, which means we believe the other one does not work. Screen's not bad. It's a little wonky, probably won't list it. The tilt and the slide work on the sunroof. Alright, I'll grab a tape. It does have night vision, I forgot to mention that. Let me take this battery box off here. Yeah, if you can see, you can't see from in here. Out there you can see the night vision. Oh, windows. All the window switches work. And the windows work. There's high. There's low. Transfer case works. I go gentle. Back in high gear. Transmission seems okay. Like I said, this was just a trade-in. Some people get rid of them and then nobody wants to sell them. So we take them apart. Alright, that's the end of S3LE286. Park it back here with the other Toyotas. Roll up all the windows. Slide works, or I'm sorry, not the slide, I'll do the tilt. Alright, thank you all.